What is the US 2000? The US 2000 tracks the performance of approximately 2,000 small-cap and mid-cap companies in the United States. It is a subset of the broader Russell 3000 index, which captures the 3,000 largest U.S. publicly traded companies, representing roughly the bottom two-thirds of that group. Unlike indexes like the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the S&P 500, which are heavily dominated by megacap tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, or Nvidia, the US 2000 focuses on smaller, domestic-oriented businesses across sectors like healthcare, financials, industrials, and technology. Why is it important? 1. The ultimate benchmark for small-cap stocks. Just as the S&P 500 is the gold standard for tracking large corporations, the US 2000 is universally recognized as the premier benchmark for small-cap US equities. Investors and fund managers use it to measure how smaller companies are performing relative to the rest of the market. 2. A barometer for the domestic US economy. Because small-cap companies tend to rely more heavily on the domestic U.S. market rather than global supply chains or international revenue, the US 2000 is often viewed as a purer economic indicator. When small businesses are thriving, it usually signals confidence in the domestic economy, consumer spending, and local credit conditions. 3. High growth potential and diversification. Smaller companies often have more room for rapid percentage growth compared to multi-trillion-dollar corporations. Investors look to the US 2000 to find emerging companies before they become household names, allowing for portfolio diversification away from mega-cap tech. 4. Widely traded financial product. Because it pools together 2,000 distinct stocks, individual investors cannot easily buy a piece of every single constituent. Instead, the index serves as the underlying asset for popular exchange-traded funds, ETFs like the iShares Russell 2000 ETF, IWM, mutual funds, and derivative products, like futures and options, that allow traders to speculate on or hedge against the small-cap sector.